All right, let's jump right in. This is your guide to getting a massive financial head start.
Now, that's a pretty bold claim, right? But it's based on one simple, super powerful idea.
See, it's not about how much money you have. It's about how much time you have. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. This is your superpower. Let's start at age 13. Okay, mission number 1. Since you're not 18 yet, you're going to need your parents' help. They'll help you open what's called a custodial account. Now, these work a little differently. So whether you're in the UK or the US, the goal's the same. Get your money working.
And look, you don't have to be some stock-picking genius. Keep it simple. That's the key.
At 14, you've got this awesome advantage, no bills. So your job is to explore, find your thing.
Okay, age 15. Time to start building your launch pad, but with a totally different mindset.
You're not just saving to spend, you're stashing cash to fund your future opportunities.
Age 16, this is a huge 2-year window. It's time to get focused and build real value. So you use that stashed cash for tools, not toys. Go learn a real-world skill.
Now, at 17, your most critical mission is passing that driving test. It's all about opportunity, right? This quote says it all. A driver's license means you can actually show up for things. All right, the big one. You've hit 18. Here is your Launchpad checklist. 7 essential steps.
First things first, set up your financial foundation. Let's talk about number 2, the credit card.
Now, you've probably heard this before, maybe from your grandparents, but times have changed. That advice is just outdated. Today, you absolutely need a good credit score. It's crucial. Think of it as your financial reputation. Build it by paying your bill in full every month.
And that brings us to a huge point: knowing good debt from bad debt.
So, really think about university debt, avoid bad debt, and start that side hustle.
But that last point, investing, that's the real game changer. Check this out.
Look at that difference. That 10-year head start more than doubles your money. Time is everything. So, you've got the playbook. The only question is, what's your first move going to be?